What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to connect your Claude with the Figma account. So for that the process is it's going to be very simple. Make sure you stick to the video till the end to get to know about it. So first thing first is that we have to go to the settings. In order to go to the settings, just go to the left hand side and click on settings and you will be redirected to this page. Over here you will see the connectors option. Over here you will see a customize option. Just go over there and you will see a bunch of plugins and all that interactions with the menu. So here what we have to do, we have to find a connector named as Figma. So you can go ahead, add a connector option, go ahead, browse connectors. From here just click on browse and over here you will see the Figma. It is the top 5 popular most connectors in the Claude. Just go ahead and click on the plus icon. Now you will be redirected to a new page on the Google Chrome or the default browser that you have selected. Just authenticate it with your official account and then you will be able to use it. So this is that simple. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one.